All right, got the Tyco Dagger. This was actually my first remote control car from 1996. KB Toys, $74.99. Now, if you know, you know about KB Toys. Anyways, let's check it out. Experimental dragster with adjustable stunt shifter. Yeah, this car as a kid, I remember it was just so crazy fast, but the battery didn't last long at all. Let's see. Just show y'all the whole box. Pretty cool box. They don't have graphics like this anymore. The stunt shifter, adjustable performance and stunts. You got speed zone, blazing speed, wheelie zone, stunt zone. It's the same thing. Let's see. Powerful Mabuchi 260 RA motors. Never heard of that brand. I know a lot of y'all know about this one, the Rebound. Basically run on top side, or it can flip upside down. It's like another car. The Mutator and the Samurai. I think I had this too. It's like a bigger remote control motorcycle. It had little training wheels or something. I think I had a red one, I believe. The alternate color is silver, which is actually what I have in this box. The original one I had was black. That one. Use only Tyco rechargeable 6-volt jet turbo NICD battery pack. The jet turbo system, 6 volts. Approximately runtime 10 to 15 minutes. Then you have to charge it for 4 hours. Yeah, that's exactly what I remember. 10, 15 minutes of play and 4 hours of charging. '96 Tyco. Precision built by Tayo. Interesting. Alright, let's flip it back over. So, you got the flap. Just showing you what she can do. There is the alternate color dagger. The black runs on 27 megahertz, the silver on 49. When racing RC vehicles, you gotta have different frequencies. So let's start out with my original, the black Tyco Dagger, charger, battery. And there she is. Now this is the stunt shifter they're talking about. It uses the battery as like a counterweight. Now if you put it back here, you're doing wheelies, and you just, well, I gotta have the battery in it, but you slowly move it up and put it all over there. You're not gonna do wheelies, you're gonna do pure speed. Okay, there's the alternate color 49 megahertz dagger. Got both of my daggers here. Yeah, these things were awesome. Has these little shocks, so if you hit the wall or something, you don't just snap that front wheel off. All right, there she is. Now, let me grab the battery. A charged battery, anyways. Give y'all a little example here. Let's see. Press the red button, pull it out. You got your Tyco Jet Turbo battery. What you do is you put it right here in the back. Insert it in. So right now it's in wheelie zone, so all the weight is back there. I don't want to do. Let's go to speed zone. So that'd be the very front one. So it doesn't do any wheelies. Already got it on. Okay. Grab the Dagger remote. See if I can do this. Oop. Oh yeah, you still got the spins in her. Yeah, this thing's actually pretty quick, man. Check her out. Spin her real easy. Alright, that's speed zone. And let's just go all the way to wheelie zone. If I can get it to move. There we go. Alright. We're in wheelie zone now. Let's see what she does. Come on now, look at that thing, man. Just like I remember. So, there she is. And the Silver Dagger. Haven't tried it out yet. But pretty much does the same thing as that one. But yeah, pretty cool, man. They don't make them like they used to.